Aerolive is Aerologic's new software feature, allowing you to live stream from all DJI drones, including the Mavic Mini. Using the Aerologic's app, our pilots can live stream to clients from multiple locations in Ultra HD. Aerolive is perfect for live monitoring or traffic flow, emergency services, or inspecting critical infrastructure. Incorporated within Aerolive is AeroChat. AeroChat is a messenger service which allows clients to send live text messages straight to the drone pilot during flight. Clients can take control, zoom in and live direct the camera vision to inspect specific areas of interest in structures, assets and the landscape below. This enables customers and clients to make timely decisions about their asset or, in emergencies, quickly assess the environmental situation. Aerologic's Mission Control for drones.